Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Tradition checking out a model, but they also build in Vero and Palm Beach. There are a lot of options to consider if you're looking for a home and community like this, some that are quick move-in and others that you have to build from scratch and wait a year. So if you're looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me directly and I'd be more than happy to help you. So here we have their Prosperity model. This home is going to give you over 1,700 square feet under air, 2 bedrooms and a den, 2 bathrooms, and there are a few different ways that this home can be optioned out. Like this model, they added a sunroom off from the lanai, but you can choose to have a longer lanai instead. You can get a tub in the master, or if you don't want one, you can make it into a larger walk-in shower. And there are other options like the sink and cabinets in the laundry room, or the bay window and front porch for the secondary bedroom. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the construction process, they have some homes for sale that are considered quick delivery and have already started or nearly completed construction. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many homes Tradition has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area and wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.